Hey and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best high-delivery transactional email for startups by doing a comparison between Postmark and Amazon SES. If you're looking for the best high-delivery transactional email tool in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. Postmark is built for one job: sending transactional emails fast and reliably. The platform separates transactional messages from bulk sends, which helps protect deliverability and sender reputation. But you won't find visual editors, drag-and-drop tools, or marketing automation here. There are built-in templates for common flows like password reset emails and invoices, but customizing them requires HTML. The interface is simple but developer-friendly, with detailed logs, message tracking, and 45-day retention. That said, Postmark is not built for lifecycle marketing. There's no scheduler, no bulk send segmentation, and no in-app messaging. If you want to run marketing emails alongside transactional ones, you'll need to pair them with a separate email marketing tool. Postmark's paid plans start at $15 per month for 10,000 emails on the basic plan, with support for up to 4 users and 5 servers. The Pro plan is $60.50 per month for 50,000 emails and includes inbound email. The platform plan starts at $138 per month for 125,000 emails with unlimited users and servers. Extra emails cost between $1.20 to $1.80 per 1,000, depending on the plan. Although it has one of the best in the category for time to inbox, ideal for time-sensitive emails like login codes or order confirmations. There is no built-in email marketing automation, bulk emailing, or list management. Amazon SES is built for scale and cost efficiency. It's not flashy as there's no UI for editing emails, no visual campaign flows, and no plug-and-play templates. But if you're sending millions of transactional messages and want to keep costs low, it works. It works well if you already use other AWS tools like S3, CloudWatch, or Lambda, but it's clearly built for technical teams. If your marketing team needs access, you'll probably need to layer another tool on top. Amazon SES is pay-as-you-go with no monthly base fee. The first 62,000 emails per month are free if you send from an Amazon EC2 instance. After that, it's 10 cents per 1,000 emails. If you need dedicated IP addresses, each one costs $24.95 per month. Attachments are billed separately at 12 cents per gigabyte. It's one of the cheapest options for high-volume email, especially if you're already using EC2. And the emails are processed in multiple AWS regions, which can help reduce latency for global apps. But the setup involves domain verification, IAM roles, and API configuration. It's not intuitive for non-technical users. There are no built-in templates for common transactional emails like password resets or invoices. And the free tier users rely on documentation or forums. AWS Premium support is expensive and sold separately. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.